Hi YouTube, welcome to my channel The Knowledge Tree. YouTube, today we have chosen a topic, role of ventilator in COVID-19 diseases. As we know that the majority of nearly 80% of COVID-19 infections are asymptomatic or mild and may not require a hospitalization, but in almost 5% of all patients the disease can be a critical one. In these cases, the virus causes a damage to the lung, causing the body oxygen level to drop and making it harder to breathe. Now, when some critical ill patients suffer from extreme lung damage and struggle to breathe, they need to be administered in ICU, and subset of them need to be put in ventilator. The link is given in a description box. You can check the article on role of ventilator in COVID-19 diseases. Here is what we need to know about a ventilator and why they are needed during COVID-19. So let's begin. What is a ventilator and what does it do? If I define, a ventilator is defined as a machine which delivers air and oxygen into a lung of patient, or I would say that it is an artificial lung. But as we know, the delivery of breath into a patient lung is a complex process. It need to take into consideration not just the volume of air or air which has to go into the lung, but with what pressure it goes into and which pattern airflow is flow. The ventilator also has a humidifier which add heat and moisture to the air supply, so it matches the patient's body temperature. Patients are given medication to relax the respiratory muscles so their breathing can be fully regulated by the machine. That is why we need a technologically advanced ventilator which help us to control this parameter very tightly and significantly. If I talk about the role of ventilator in COVID-19 or corona disease, a COVID-19 infection can cause fluid and mucus into the lung that block the oxygenation of the lung tissue. The ventilator can help support COVID-19 patient breathing until their immune system and treatment can clear the infection and properly lung function is restored.